Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Code. Today we are going to solve April LeetCode challenge day 20 and the problem is binary search tree iterator. So let's see the problem statement. In this problem we have to implement the BST iterator class that represents an iterator over in-order traversal of a binary search tree. BST iterator initializes an object of BST iterator class. The root of the BST is given as a part of the constructor. The pointer should be initialized to a non-existent number smaller than any element in the BST. It means that in the question, the BST iterator constructor, there is a parameter root that will point to the root of the tree, and we have to complete this class so that there will be two methods that we can implement, that we have to implement. In the BST iterator, it is saying that there will be a sequence in which a pointer will be there that will point to its next, and the next will have a greater element than the current one. So the pointer will point to the next greater element than itself. So we have to implement this so that we can implement these two methods. Boolean has next will return true if there is an element in our sequence, and int next will return the next element of our sequence. And we have to do the in-order traversal, and we have to keep that in-order traversal somewhere so that we can pop one by one, and we have to return that whenever next will be called, and we have to return our element. So in this example, the question is like 7, 3, 15, null, 9, 20. So BST iterator has been called first, so our sequence will get ready at this time. Now the next has been called. So next will return the smallest element. So here it is 3. So 3 has been returned. Again next is called. So after that 7 is the smallest element. So 7 will be returned. After that has next is called. So we are left with 9, 20, 15. So we have 3 elements. So we will return true that our sequence is non-empty. So we have returned true. Again it's next. So we will return the smallest one. So 9, 15, 20. So 9 is the smallest one. So we have returned 9. Again has next is called. So now we are having 15 and 20. So we will return true because we have 15 and 20. Again next will be called. So it will return 15. Now we are left with only 20. So has next, yeah, it's true because we have 20. Now next is called. So we will return 20. Now again has next is called. So we will return false because we don't have any element now. So let's code this. First we will declare a dequeue of type int. Let's name it queue. And here we will call our in-order function that we will implement, in which we will pass our root as well as queue. First we will clear our queue. Queue dot clear. Here void in order. That will have the parameter root and the dequeue. Type in %. Let's name it D. So if root is not null, then we will traverse to the left first and D. Then we will push that element to our dequeue. Then again we will traverse to the right. Next we'll return the front element. So int t equals to, first we will store some where now we'll pop front. Here we will return our t. Has next will return that our queue is empty or not. If it is empty, then it will return false. If it is not empty, then it will return true. So we have returned complement of queue.empty. So if it is empty, then a return will be false. If it is non-empty, then a return will be true. So let's run this. We have a compilation error. It's not a pointer. So here we have to write root val. So let's submit this. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is Riya signing off. Meet you tomorrow in the next session of coding.